Hi, it's Caroline, career coach and mentor. And I hope you all enjoyed the new year and the festive season. And it is time to get back to your career. So I wanted to make this quick video to make sure that we take this time to realize what an impact we want to make this year on our career. Whether it is climbing the corporate ladder, having that promotion, being part of the executive team, whether it is like being paid what you're worth, finding a job that you really love and that you finally can make a difference in and fulfill your purpose, whether it is anything else. The most important thing is that you take time to be intentional about what you want to achieve in 2019. Because a lot of people that work through the career success program with me, they come to a point in their career that they never have been intentional. They have been drifting from job to job, often taking the first job that has been offered to them, whether it is because people have tapped them on the shoulder, whether they have been approached better, whether they have applied directly for an opportunity, doesn't matter. It's like they never have been very intentional about the decisions that they've been making. Is never have taken the time to see if something fits with where they want to be in the long run. And this is what this time is all about. This is about you taking the time to realize, where do I want to be in 12 months from now? What do I want to achieve? And then after you reflect it, it's thinking about a strategy. Okay, how am I going to do this? What are the milestones that I'm going to put in place to get me to my goal? Because here's what I see also with a lot of people. They had great plans last year and they put it off and they keep on procrastinating because life gets in the way. It gets busy at work. Deadlines need to be made. Things need to happen, but they forget about their own goals, their own career aspirations, and they keep on putting it off. So I want you to take a moment to think about the impact that you want to make for yourself. Be selfish for once and think about, where do I want to be? And this could be career progression, but this could also be like standing up for yourself. Because I've worked in toxic environments where I was almost bullied, where I was pushed out, I've been made redundant. And it is all about, okay, what's next? How am I going to look at all these things and what lessons can I learn from it to actually make myself stronger? Because I know I'm here to make an impact. And I want to make an impact in everything I do, whether it's my private life, or my personal life, whether it's my career, my job, whatever. I want it to be aligned with who I am. And most of my clients are looking also for a job that is aligned with them, that suits them. So if all of this resonates, I want you to, first of all, think about the impact you want to make in 2019, the difference you want to make, and then think about, okay, how am I going to achieve that? What's going to be my strategy? Because there is no better time to think about all of that than now. I can promise you and guarantee you that. So if you need any help making this a reality, book a career discovery call with me. I will pop a link below this video and do yourself a favor. It's going to be the most insightful 30-minute call you will have to get a better understanding of, okay, where am I at now? What are the gaps and how am I going to get there? And we will talk about the strategy. This is not going to be one of those yucky sales calls. This is going to be a very normal conversation between you and I about what strategy you need to put in place and how I potentially can assist you. And if you choose to work with me afterwards, great. But if not, that's also fine. So I will pop a link below and book your career strategy session with me, and I will hopefully talk to you soon. Have a lovely rest of the day, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.